Can you twirl?
I will.
And
To Nathan.
who are you going to marry today?
To Nathan.
Is Nathan your cousin?
Yeah.
Is that your wedding dress?
Yeah.
Can you twirl in it and dance?
Where?
Can you turn?
How you turn? I guess.
Yep.
Dizzies.
That's beautiful.
Make dizzies.
Don't get dizzy.
We can make dizzies or always do.
That dress is so beautiful. You need to say thank you to your cousins.
Later. We go there again and we have to sing to cousins.
I know. And why do you want to marry Nathan?
Because I want to.
Is he your best buddy?
It's not windy out.
It's still windy out. It's cold.
The trees is not windy. See the trees are last night. See, it's not windy.